How to buy DJ Daniel token. Now this token came under the symbol of DD. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research, and also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply goes below. Find your account, enjoy the benefits, check them out in the description. Now before we go on buy this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token, and don't forget to check the Telegram channel too. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It created 20 hours ago and increased by 3000% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked 99%. That's mean your investment in a safe place, and this token trending number 8 in the Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Click here to copy the token address and open your funds mine for that. Click here also up and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. As you can see, this our token, click on it, and here you can type how much you want to buy. Here you will be able to see how much you receive the token, as you can see. After that, select provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all of that information here. Click also up and you will be able to redirect to the Jupiter provider page to be able to buy this token. Now if you face an issue, go back to this page and try to switch the slip from here, as you can see, our customer, because most of the issues came from the slip, and after that you can go and buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy DD token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.